Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today we're tackling a question that many Windows 11 users ask. How do you remove widgets from your screen? Widgets can be helpful for quick information, like weather and news, but not everyone loves them taking up space. So, if you're ready to declutter your desktop, let's turn off the widget feature completely from the taskbar. First, move your mouse to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click anywhere on an empty space. A menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Taskbar Settings and click it. Alternatively, you can press Windows I to open Settings, then search for Taskbar Settings. Now, in the Taskbar Settings window, here you'll see an option for widgets. Simply toggle the switch to off, and just like that, the widget button disappears from your taskbar. If you want to disable widgets entirely, including the ability to launch them accidentally, you'll need to dive into the Group Policy Editor. To open it, press Windows R to launch the Run dialog box. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Once you're inside the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Widgets. Double-click the setting called Allow Widgets and select Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. Widgets are now completely disabled on your system. And there you have it. 2 simple ways to remove or disable widgets on Windows 11. Whether you're looking to clean up your taskbar or disable widgets entirely, these steps have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.